Today we're talking about collecting information. So under my inbox, I've got a folder for current tasks, and then I've got a task list which I call inbox via support form on website. So within this program ClickUp, I have created a web form, and that web form sits within my website, so people can fill in a form and it will add a task into my system. Just to give you an example, this is what the support center web form looks like. The client can fill in their name, their address, their phone number. They can select the priority. They can look at the type of support. Is it hosting, website suggestions, various things we can put it there. And this form was created within ClickUp. So they can describe their support issue and they can attach files and submit it, and that would automatically bring it into my list. So that's one way of getting information into my inbox. Another way is if I look at this list name and I hit the three dots on the right hand side, I can pick up this thing called email to list, and that is an email address, and any email that I send to this address will automatically land up in as a task within this list. So I can copy that and I can go to my contacts list within, I use Apple, but whatever email client that you use, and I can create a contact for email to ClickUp. So what I do is that most of the stuff that I email into ClickUp, I will email into my inbox. But there are some issues that I know that would require a double process for me. So what I have done is I have created a number of different email addresses. So I want to just show you very briefly how that might look. And you can see within my contacts, here is and I've just called them C-up and then inbox. There's one that I've got for content planning. I've got another one for Kindle notes. So when I create notes on my Kindle, I have another one for leads, because I also use my ClickUp as a CRM system, a basic CRM system, and I've got yet another for supplier invoices. So if I get an invoice from supplier, I will send it to this email address, and then it will land up in there ready for me to process later on, and also forms the basis of my basic financial control system. But you can see the type of stuff that I put in here. I also run a WHMCS ticket system for my web hosting. So if any tickets come through there, I've got an automation that automatically notifies me when a ticket has been created, and it allocates me as the person, puts high priority, so I can open this ticket and just have a look and see what needs to be done. And so I look for tickets in one place. So my daily inbox clean out allows me to process all those notes, and all of that is done basically through going to this list that I've created. I go to list settings, I select email to list, copy that email address, and then automatically send. So let me show you how this works possibly. Alright, so if I come to my email and I paste the email address here, and and we send the email. So here it's come in. So you can see that the test task is there, and if I open it, you'll see that my entire email has been added as an attachment. I have also set up an automation so that it adds context and effort. So what I do when I do my review is I'm able to choose context. This is something I need at the computer. It's something a little effort, and there are some other fields in here as well. Because I've chosen at computer, low effort, I've also set an automation that will automatically file this as a next action. So that's one way of getting your stuff into ClickUp. And that's a wrap.